Welcome back, YouTubers. This is my second episode of, I think I'm going to call it first. No, I'm going to call it Extreme RC Trucks and Helicopters. Anyways, this is my truck, and I like it. It's takes a lot of punishment. So anyways, I built this huge ramp for it in the backyard. It's totally awesome, except the only problem is that these shock towers aren't very adjustable. They use spacers or whatever, right? So what I did is I took like a pill bottle and zip tie, cut it into strips, bam. Custom spacers. Now my shocks are at max, whatever, and this thing does not bottom out. It hardly ever bottoms out now. So do the same thing to the back. These ones are a little thicker, but same thing, nothing special. Yep. So there it is. Wait till you see this thing jump. Wow. It will blow your mind. This little truck is gonna amaze you. So I'm still waiting for parts for my helicopters, so they're back in storage, but I'm all about this truck for the first 10 episodes or so. So great. 2 minutes. So hopefully, I might do it right now, I don't know, but soon we're going to do some jumping videos and stuff. Should be pretty cool. So there's my truck inside and out. Yep. Thing is a beast. I love this truck. It's just so sick. I wish I would have had this truck like 20 years ago. Thing is just sick beyond sick.